Tell me, do you love me? Oh, tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me yes for real. Do you love me? Oh, tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me yes for real. Tell me, do you love me?
They call me Mr. Tibbs.
I just got back from the gym. I'm planning on going to H Mart now that I'm all ready. I'm gonna pick up a few ingredients because I'm planning on making dinner tonight. And then I'm also probably going to grab lunch because I'm not making lunch. So I'm gonna grab lunch and then I'm gonna come back home and I'll see you in the next clip. Bye. Guys, it's the apocalypse. We're all gonna die. Spock, what are you gonna do? Spock, come here.
I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fuck.
Walk into my car. About to drive to H Mart.
Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Joe blows, yeah.
They look dirty. Okay. We got the peepers on. Alrighty, y'all. We are whipping it today. Alrighty, guys. We just got to H Mart. I've almost died so many times in this parking lot because somebody was in the wrong lane. I'm about to do some grocery shopping.
I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit.
So the chapaghetti is all gone, but I think I have one at home. So I'm gonna grab the niyoguri today. And then I'm gonna see if they have a pack of the chapaghetti.
Been a beat down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young. Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know. I just wanna know.
God, this car is so raggedy. Oh shit.
I wanna drown myself inside the juice.
Y'all, I know I look crazy, but H Mart is bumping some teens today. Like, they always have the best playlist for some reason. This is great. Guys, does anyone know what a cheese bong is? Or a gochujang? This looks interesting. Look, this chicken is spitting fire. I don't know, it looks so strange. Shrimp. That was absolutely insane. They have a really good Korean corn dog place where they have like the spicy corn dog. It tastes like they put like flaming hot Cheetos on the outside of the corn dog. What is it? Crab meat?
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.
Oh, my
yeah.
favorite.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why is
Alrighty guys, I'm having bibimbap for dinner. Here's a spread. Super excited about rice.
Tell me, do you love me? Oh, tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me yes for real. Do you love me? Oh, tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me yes for real. Tell me, do you love me? Oh, tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me yes for real. Tell me, do you love me? Oh, tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me yes for real. Out of the way, I've been making my mind up. At the end of the day, I wanna have this tied up. Between me and you, I used to think all of my feelings are dried up, but everything changed.
Alrighty guys, so I just finished dinner. I found this package that one of my roommates from college and also one of my best friends, she made this for me. It's so pretty, it's so cute. She hand embroidered it and she put Leo, which is my zodiac sign. I am a Leo. And then she also sent me a Christmas card because the first time she sent it, I did not receive the package. So, and there's a little Sailor Moon kitty on it. It's so adorable. So yeah, so I have a Christmas card in March. And then I also have a little Valentine's Day card that she added, and then a bunch of pictures of just us. So I thought that was super cute. These are so not organized, but I like this one the best. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'm now drinking some lemon water. I've definitely been trying to make it a point to hydrate more. So right now I'm just kind of unwinding, kind of relaxing after I ate a little bit. Probably gonna watch some more YouTube videos, maybe waste my time a little bit more. I usually do like a pretty simple skincare routine. I have pretty bad acne. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but one day when I have the balls to show my face without makeup on camera, I will show you guys my acne and my acne scars. It's gotten a lot better. I realized the best thing to do is to just keep it as plain and simple as possible. I will be staying home next week and the week after. I've just been I come home and I'm never able to work on my personal projects or like read or simple things that I had time for when I was in college. I don't necessarily have time for now. I feel like this is gonna be really good for just getting back on track with my sleep schedule, getting my diet back in check. I am gonna try to get some home workouts in, just get my life back on track. I just really need a break. That's all for today's video. I'm so sleepy, I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye. Say good night, everyone. Good night. Good night. Say I love you. Okay.